face an energy crisis, and it won't get any better unless each one of us voluntarily does something about it. Start with your car. Keep it well tuned, and you can improve gas mileage by as much as 10%.
Ma'am? Joe, it brings out the best in you.
Some cardboard straight out of the energy drink box. You like the crunchy kind, right?
Not anymore. Introducing cordless smart scissors by Singer. The fast, easy, and pain-free way.
I'm gonna get you, Rubik.
It's Rubik's Magic Puzzle, the new challenge from the incredible Erno Rubik.
You can use mine.
Use your easy button to find my easy button? Won't that, like, tear a hole in the universe?
What's the worst that could happen?
That's the worst that could happen.
Just hit it.
Okay.
I had an unlucky break. Pictionary, the most fun you can have with a pencil.
Nothing on my sleeve.
From the empty hat, I will press the get press the target, pull a live rabbit. Yes.
Wait till the end. There's a surprise.
88. Hold on. Delivery guaranteed, no matter the century.
For Jake Paul.
Huh? What the heck?
Jake Paul's voice and likeness comes from Sora AI. Please, Jake Paul, if you're out there, if you see this video, please do not sue me. I repeat, Jake Paul, please do not sue me. Also, Jake Paul, big fan. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan. I swear, I really am a big fan. Please do not hunt me down and punch me in the face. Please, please, please do not sue me, and please don't copyright strike me. I appreciate it. I got this. I got your image, and I got this voice from Sora AI. So blame them, not me. Please blame them, not me. Thank you.